Okay. So, yesterday, we had this 92 points selling day. My scenario 1 for yesterday was test low and continue higher. Scenario 2 was test high and continue low. And scenario 3 was test brief, test up, and a sell off. Sell off. Sell off. My sell off scenario 3 had a 270 as the extent of it, so somewhere here. In fact, it went double that. So yesterday was scenario 3. So yesterday we have scenario 3. Today, in blue, scenario 1 is we're opening at 205. Test the gap mid or 17, this VPOC. Test lower. This HVN at 195. The LVN at 180. Key LVN 180. And if we continue lower, down to 170 HVN. 169. So that is scenario 1. Scenario 2 in green. We opened 206. It dipped down to below the overnight low, to that same HVN, 195. Test the VPOC, 217. Test the previous day low, go into the range. The VPOC, 226. Now in the upper side, we're looking at the LVN at 232. And the overnight high, which coincides with the close and swing high, which is at around 240. 240 overnight high. So test lower to 195 and go to 240, which will give us around 45 points range. So that is scenario 2 in green. Scenario 3. Since we're opening in the gap, we had a massive sell-off day, which after the Tuesday, which was a Monday, Tuesday, we had two neutral extreme days up. The Wednesday took them both down. We're currently in the balance area around 217 VPOC with the lower band of 180. So the expectation of another sell-off not so strong, but it's always a possibility. Having said that, being so low, around the century figure of 200, we may have found 3,200, we may have found our buyers. Although it's rare to have a sell-off day followed by a big up day, V-bottom kind of day. It's unheard of, but I don't know, I put the chances 50-50 of a test higher, continue lower, for a sell-off day down to 150, mid-century figure. And scenario 4, have you take out the overnight low, go back into yesterday's range and go up the flagpole. And finish around Tuesday's low at 260. Scenario 4. We have a very, very, very pronounced LVN at 260. It's a composite profile from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Yeah, so that is that.